Okay, see, just click on new file. Okay, let's name it as example dot ipynb. This is the extension. Okay, this is the format you have to follow, and you can see, so you can get this cell and follow up by these buttons, code or add markdown. And here you can see up here code, markdown, run all cells. And here you can see the delete. So let me write one example. Okay, so we have written one Python code. So you just have to click on it, or so what it will try to do. Okay, so it will ask for the, have to select. It will directly ask the interpreter. Okay, so likewise previously we went for like control P and we try to select by our own, but can anyone mute? I don't know from where it is getting the.
Yeah, sorry, it's recruiter's call. Just 1 minute here. Let me mute myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the very first time when you try to run it, here you can get that window and just try to select the available Python interpreter and it will directly detect and you can run the file. So here we can see the output. Okay, I would say try to go with this kind of create the file and try to write the code here. So when you get used to it, try to use this editor. Okay, because this is very easy to use, and after when you try to switch to this one, it will be difficult for you to write the code here. First try to get habituated with this, and come after that you can use this one. Okay, so you can write any lines of code here. For example, I'm writing here 12. Then after writing, I want to do the addition of these two, A plus B, C, 26. You can directly see the output down in the cell. Or for example, markdown. Markdown means you want to write the comment. You can give the 4 hashes. Then after, let's see, let me write here addition of 2 numbers. Okay, just after that, control enter. Addition of 2 numbers. See, it is looking very clear, right? So it's very easy.
That's very easy. That's easy, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, just get comfortable with this one. After that, go with this one. If you use this one, after that, when you want to come back, you can't use it.
Okay, which one do we use first?
Go in this file format only, okay? Just .py.
Okay. Then after that, come to which one?
Then after you can go to this one, like .ipynb file, okay? Yeah. But suppose if you want to do anything like instant code, you can use this file, okay?
Which one do we use first to make it easier?
Whatever I have mentioned so far, go with that particular thing only. Whatever I have shown right now, don't go through it, okay? Don't use it.
Okay.
Whenever you're having free time and you want to use it or you want to try it, you can try it at that time, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. But most of the people who are in data science or like artificial intelligence, all those, the people use this file, okay? IPYNB file. And most of the people who are developers, Python developers or something into development, they use this kind of format, .py format.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think we can start. No one joined it?
No one joined it. Only Festus, I think, is on mute. He has a recruiter call.
Okay, just give me a minute.
No, I'm back. I'm listening to you.
Okay. Let me message in the group. So, have you guys gone through strings? I told you to have a look at the strings. We are going to discuss strings today. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm asking about the strings. Last class I said to go through the concept strings. Have you gone through? Have you like get to know about what do you mean by strings? What are the strings in Python? No, right?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yes, I'm gonna need your help later. I need to put the Python on my,
You
to
need
put it on
to.
my stuff. Yeah, I downloaded it, but it's not showing, so I have to go there and look for it first.
Okay.
And,
Until then, remaining people are joining. Share your screen.
Let me share my screen
And
with you.
let me.
Thank you. Yeah, let me share my screen.
When you send concepts of strings, I'm trying to understand. Didn't you say is it?
Oh, you are still sharing. First, you are still sharing your screen, right?
No.
Oh shit, pop it.
Okay, Inka, go ahead, share your screen.
Someone is still sharing. Someone else is sharing screen. Okay, let me draw. Okay. All right, good now. Hold on 1 second. Did you get it now? I just share my screen.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
what's the issue?
Okay, you see, it's not on my screen unless I have to come here and get it from here. You see what is coming up?
Yeah, that's the command line interface of the Python. Okay. Then.
What?
Okay, like you are unable to run the code or what?
Yes.
Okay,
It's just not
open the
coming
VS
up.
Code. Open the VS Code.
Go back there again.
Just close it. Close the window.
I don't think you have downloaded the VS Code.
I did already. He's on here first.
Just search now. Search in the start
Yeah.
bar.
You see, it's right here.
No, that's Python, bro.
Type VS Code. VS Code.
You've not downloaded VS.
Oh, which one should I type? VS Code?
Go to
Yes, type VS Code.
VS Code. Okay.
Have already installed. Okay, open
It's
it.
right there. The first one?
Yes.
How did that be?
right click and add it to your right click the bottom here. Go to the bottom.
Okay.
Right click so that you can have it on your
Just do one thing. Follow my instruction. Just maximize the screen of the VS Code.
What do I do?
Maximize it.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Maximize the screen.
You won't even maximize right now. You just
the one dot. So allocate just one dot.
Material, I can say it is not even maximizing. That's the point. You see?
Okay, you can see the. Okay, wait.
Let me give you access to the
Type.
computer. Do it. Just do it. Let me give you access to my computer. Then I'll say you're doing it. Okay, now you have access to it, right?
Yeah. To have the access to your screen.
You have it?
No. I don't have. Wait.
You're gonna miss it. Okay.
Ashish, how can an like access his screen?
Ashish,
Okay, let me do one thing. I will share it and just follow it the instructions how we can add the Python interpreter. Okay, I will just show you. That will be fine. And just have a look. Okay, because we are getting late. Just stop
let's
sharing
go.
your
Let's
screen.
do the class. Let me stop. Let's show the after the class. You show me. I don't want to hold everybody. Okay.
Okay.
No, I don't want to. Like I'm holding everybody now.
Let's say after the class. Okay.
That's why I said after the class.
Let's say after the class. Okay then. Today we are going to discuss about strings. Last class we have discussed about strings are one of the data type, right? So it is a kind of text type. Why strings are very important? So strings are very important because we are going to represent some sort of text data or something like the characters. Or it is going to be the big sentences. We are going to use the string and we are going to manipulate the data further. The first important thing about the string is strings are immutable data types. What do I mean by immutable? Immutable means once you created the string, it cannot be changed. Actually, you cannot manipulate the string here. For suppose you have created like I'm from India. So this is a string. You have created and you have assigned a variable A. Okay. Cannot do any such kind of manipulation things. Okay. Cannot change it or replace something like that. You cannot like do with this string. Let me see in the practical thing how what I mean to say like immutable and what we cannot change over it. So I think you guys are got familiar with how we can declare the strings. Okay, we can declare with the strings like single quotations, double quotations, or triple quotes, triple single quotes, or triple double quotes over here. Okay, it depends on the length of the string you have. Okay. See, these are the general kind of assigning the strings. We have seen in like class second, class third, or class four, like we have seen all these things. So there is no need to stretch about that. How we can assign, how we can print. Okay. Let's say something which is very new here. Looping through a string. So what do we mean by looping? See what happens. Sometimes we want to take character by character or word by word, and we want to do something with that character, something with that word. At that particular time or even at that particular instant, we need something that we can iterate over the string. For suppose, let me say, okay, this is the string I have declared here. Okay. If you want to see what type of data type it is, I mentioned here, you can check it out. This is a string data type. And looping through the string, as I mentioned, first suppose I want to check if P is there in the string or not. Okay. I want to check if the character P is there in the string. For that, I need to iterate over the entire string. For that, we have one kind of looping statement in Python called for loop. For what it does, we have to write the syntax like I in, we can directly give the variable name over here. Okay. Then we can print the character. Okay. It will try to take one character, second character, third character, fourth character, and we will get all the characters. First, suppose my logic is that wherever I see the letter P, I want to print only that particular character. I don't want to print remaining all the characters. I just only want the character P. Okay. At that instant, what I can do, for that I have to first check it, right? I have to take character line by line, then I have to check. So then I would like to compare. For that, I'm using the comparison operator. This is called equivalent operators. This is called comparing the two variables, if it is equal or not. I will mention here P. Okay. You can mention using, double quotations or single quotations. It is of the same for the string. Then after, I want to print only that character. Okay. So this is how you can use the string variable. Then after, if you have the requirement of finding the characters or something inside the string, you can use the for loop, and then after you can use the if condition to check the particular requirement, and then after you can print it out. This is the very simple logic. So you can also loop through the string as well. So that is mean by looping towards the string. Have you guys understood this one? Okay, let's move further. Okay, first suppose I have a string. Now I want to know the length of the string. How many characters are there? How many characters has been there in that string? So if you want to know, there is one function in Python. It is a built-in function called len, length. If you try to mention a, I have already declared this one, right? A. You will get length of a. So complement is made up of 10 characters. You will get the length of the a. These all things are very, very important. You will use further how it is useful. So you have to know it. See, length function is not limited to only string. We can use here for the list, for the tuples, okay, for the sets as well. Do you guys remember this list, tuple, sets we have discussed last class? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes.
Okay, just please respond in between whenever I ask something.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Give me a moment. Okay. Next, checking string. What do you mean by checking string? So let me declare one statement, okay? So I have declared one string. Okay. So check string. What does it mean? First, suppose you want to check any particular word is there or in the string or not. What you can do directly. First, suppose I want to check the Indian. I mean, Indian is there or not. Okay. What you will do? Will directly just write here Indian in. Okay, this is the in operator. Okay, what it does, it will try to check in the string directly. So what it is written, Indian is there here, that's why it has written true. Okay, this is one way of checking a thing directly using the print statement. So otherwise, what you can do here directly, you can use if condition, if statement. Then after you can write this thing over here. And for suppose you want to print here, yes, it is there. So here you can see it is more precise, right? And it is more looking good. Can anyone mute? I'm hearing some sort of noise from your side. So this is the another way of checking. So most of the time we use this one only, okay? And first, suppose I want to check the word which is not in the string. For that particular thing, what we can do, if the word well, if the word well, you can use not in operator and just use that variable ABC, this one, okay, and try to close it with colon and print here S it does not exist. Okay, well is not in this statement, right? So that's why we are returning as it does not exist. So you can use if condition for checking something into the string. You can directly check in. There is no need to write huge lines of code. So just using one simple operator in, not in, we can see that it is if there is existing is there or not. Okay. See, the one important thing I said earlier, right? Strings are immutable. So what do I mean by immutable? Once it created, it cannot be changed. Okay. Let's see an example. What do I mean by that? See, for modifying anything in this kind of particular data types, we use the concept called indexing. Okay. I will tell you what do you mean by indexing. Let me first explain it. B square bracket 0. So B square bracket 0, what it does return? We are getting the first character of the string. I have taken this cat says meow, right? So let me write it here. Cat says meow. So what happens here when you want to access any particular character? When you want to access any particular character, so it will start with the number let's just give me. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, I'm back. You're not talking. Yeah, you're talking on mute. On mute. You are muted.
Oh my, I was
Yeah.
talking on.
I just came back now.
I'm
So
so
what is going
sorry.
on?
I'm so sorry.
And nobody talks.
I was,
While you are there, you guys didn't say she's talking on mute. Eh?
oh my God.
Oh my God, and you have
I
gone far.
was not aware of that. Okay.
Yeah, I was on call. So as soon as I finished the call, I said, let me come back. Then I see that, what happened? I see you
I
on
was,
mute. Yeah.
I was asking you
I
that
asked
and you,
everybody on mute.
okay, my bad. Okay. Anyhow,
So
I
how,
was thinking that what happened? What happened? Why you guys not responding?
It's from your side, Ayad. Everybody, you put us on mute.
yeah, I mean,
Okay.
what we're gonna, you're gonna go back or what we're gonna do? Because we didn't hear you at all.
Okay. Fine. Okay. What I was saying, when we try to declare a string variable, we can check the length. Oh my God. Guys, mute yourself. So in string or tuple or list, so we have one method to getting the characters through indexing. Okay. This is called indexing. In Python, the indexing starts with 0. When you try to check the length, it is going to be 13. But when you try to see the indexing positions, it will start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So if you want to access the index position 9, you will get M over here. But suppose if you want to get the index position 8, you will get the space. Just give me a minute. Let you anyhow. Okay, this is the concept of indexing over here. Okay. Can access at 8th position after says we have space. Okay. We just got space over here. So first suppose let me see the position 10. What is that? E. Did you guys understand this indexing concept?
Yes.
Okay. See, here it comes immutable. You know what is happening today. Okay, strings are immutable. Once it created, cannot be changed. What do I mean by that? In Python, strings, list, or tuples, okay, we try to access the numbers using or any characters using indexing, right? So for suppose I want to replace in this index position something like, let's say, 56 number. What it will say, string object does not support item assignment. So this is what I'm trying to say, that once you have created this particular string, you cannot do any sort of changes into this. It is kind of completely like once it created, cannot be changed. That's it. The simple concept. This is called immutable. Further, if you want to like do some sort of like, changes in the list, we have some built-in methods so that you can try to like, do some changes, but you cannot do changes using based on the item or index positions. Okay. Okay. Next concept is slicing. So what do you mean by slicing is we can while using slicing you can get the substring in the original string. First, suppose let's take this example on cat says meow. For suppose you want this particular word, okay, what you can do, you can use concept called slicing. How we can do slicing is, suppose I have stored in a variable. The syntax of slicing is start index, stop index, and step. This is the syntax. So we have the length of this string as 13, right? And it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Something I have missed here. This is the 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me rewrite it a bit. This is 9. I think it's 14 length. Okay. So I want.
No, mo láti sáré bá wọn ṣe nǹkan kan mo ṣe ṣe tán. Wọ́n á ní kí n kọ sáré join class.
Can you, Festus, can you mute?
Yeah, sorry.
It's not me, or I'm on mute already. It's not me. Yes, so.
I want to get this particular word. Okay. So what you can do, you can use the slicing concept.
3 p.m. Monday 3 p.m. 3 to 4. So that means 4 to 5.
4 to 5. Okay. So it will start from 5. Okay. Then after it will end to 9. Here the step is going to be 1.
Monday should I choose 4 to 5, right? Fortune.
Ashish, mute.
3 p.m. to 4 p.m., right? No, 3 p.m. means 4 to 5 p.m. 1 hour MST. MST means like according to Central, 1 hour.
Did he go?
Yeah. 11 is.
So here what you will get, I have started from index 5, then after 9, then after 1. We will get output as says. So let's go to the VS Code and see. Okay. So I want says, right? So what I have to write, start from 5 position, then after it has to end with 9, then after 1. Let's say what it will be. we are getting A, Y, S. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll start from 4 actually. See, this is how indexing helps to get the substring of a original string. Okay. Slicing concept is very, very important and it is very helpful. And so with it just like one single line of code, we can get substrings or anything from the particular data type like strings. We use this concept in list as well. We use this concept in tuples as well. Okay. Hello. I think guys should have doubts in this. It's not big.
Can you please repeat this one because it's a bit confusing.
It is confusion. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's change this example. Okay. Okay, funny example. Cat says meow, dog says meow. Okay. So right now what I have said. First, let me check the length of the string. Okay. This is like a very big string and with the length of like 31. Okay, we are having 31 characters in this particular string. So first suppose I want, did I write car, cat? Okay. So I want the animal names in this particular string. Okay, I want cat and want a dog. So how we can get these two substrings from the string?